Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll explain why Coinbase might not let you cash out and how to fix it, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Reason 1, your account is under review or restricted. Coinbase may block withdrawals if there's suspicious activity, a security flag, or if you're undergoing identity verification. Fix. Check your email or account notifications and follow any verification steps required. Reason 2, you haven't completed identity verification. Coinbase requires full KYC, Know Your Customer verification to enable withdrawals. Fix. Go to Settings, Identity Verification, and upload the required documents. Reason 3, you're trying to withdraw too soon. If you recently bought crypto with a debit card or bank transfer, Coinbase may hold your funds for up to 7 days. Fix. Wait until the holding period ends. You'll see the release date next to your funds. Reason 4, you're withdrawing to an unsupported payment method. Some bank accounts or PayPal setups may not work with Coinbase cash outs. Fix. Try linking a different bank account or PayPal account under Settings, Payment Methods. Reason 5, technical issues or server downtime. Sometimes Coinbase has temporary issues that affect withdrawals. Fix. Visit the Coinbase status page or wait a bit and try again later. Tip. Make sure your app or browser is fully updated and always double-check your withdrawal method for compatibility. And that's it. Now you know why Coinbase might not be letting you cash out and how to fix it fast in 2025. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.